Meanwhile, the shooting of serials in Chennai, TV serials and TV soaps, which are like everywhere else in the country, very, very popular in Chennai, they can resume now. The government, under Edappadi Palaniswamy, the Chief Minister, has greenlit new guidelines allowing TV serial shoots. And as you can see in these pictures, they have resumed. India Today visited one such serial shooting site, and we witnessed the very strict protocols in place at venues to ensure COVID-19 does not spread further. Sanitization is frequently done, temperature checks are conducted of all cast and crew members, no catering on site. Permission is to be taken for any shoots to take place with all local authorities, and only a very limited number of people are actually allowed on set.
Due to COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown, many people were not able to watch their favorite television serials. But now, with the Tamil Nadu government giving a relaxations to resume shoots of television serials, what we're seeing here is that operations have resumed. There are artists standing behind me who have already come to the sets and are ready to resume their work. Well, but before that, there is a set of protocol that needs to be followed. It starts with sanitization of one's hands, which is become a mandatory activity now. Followed by that, there are two people in a counter who test every person who enters their temperature, following by giving details of their names, addresses, phone numbers. This is to ensure that the contact tracing activity is also done properly. The entire setup is sanitized, and followed by that, we're seeing that once the shoot starts, also there is social distancing maintained. Only half the number of people are working here. What the government has given them as the standard operation procedures, those are being followed. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
And joining me live from Chennai this evening is Neelima Rani, one of the most well-known faces from television series and film in Tamil Nadu. Neelima, thank you very much for being with us here on India Today. Great news to hear about serials being allowed to shoot once again.
Yes, it is. Very good evening to you. Thank you so much for having me here on live. It is a great news for all of us.
Have you already started shooting once again, Neelima, under these new rules that have been set down by the government?
Yes, we did resume. It has been a couple of days since we started our shootings with a lot of protocols, rules and regulations from our television steps through FEFC, through the government, through our channel protocols. Based on everything, we had fixed certain guidelines to be followed on the sets. And we are very happy to resume the work. At the same time, we are very cautious about each and every moment of ours on the sets.
What's it like on set? Tell us. You know, very few of us have the luck to be on a TV serial site. So what is different? You know, you've seen what it's like before the pandemic. What is it like now? So many new rules, so much safety, Neelima.
Yes, to be very honest, the very moment I walked into the set, after 70 plus days, it was just new to all of us, you know. There is no shake hands, there is no hugs, there is no greetings through warm, no, nothing. It is all, you are very cautious because you don't know, because you can't see this enemy of ours. This is an invisible enemy who is living along with us, and you really don't know where it is. So disinfecting the entire space is something which is very, very important for us, which we are doing every other day, in the morning and in the evening, to ensure that the space is disinfected. And also we check the temperatures of all the technicians, the cast and the crew 4 times a day, to ensure that the temperature is being, you know, in control. If there is a variation, we'll come to know about it right away. And we can do, we can take steps and all that. And through the channel support, we had given insurance for all the cast and crew here for COVID-19.
That's great to hear.
So all this is just the measures. We are trying to be very cautious, because this is something which most of the technicians are waiting, you know, the special technicians, as you know, most of them are daily waged people.
Yes.
For them, this is something which is like a Diwali celebration the moment they walked into the sets. For them, it's like they're very happy. At the same time, they are a bit worried also because of the situation in Chennai, when you
Yes.
see the numbers, which has been rising every other day, we kind of have that in mind also when we work.
Yeah, in fact, I was going to ask you just that, Nilima, that, you know,
Yes.
Tamil Nadu, which has actually handled things quite well, is unfortunately seeing a large spike in cases in the recent days. So is that a cause for worry for you and your industry?
It is a worry for every other human being.
Yeah.
You know, it is something which scares us. But at the same time, when we see there is no community spread, and when we walk into the roads, we know we are on the safe hands of the government. We don't get that worried or scared to walk out. The government is ensuring all the precautions and
Yeah.
all the safety measures for every other citizen here. But still, the numbers are high because maybe because of the number of tests are raised every other day than before.
Yeah.
The testing is being more than before.
Yes.
So maybe because of that, the numbers are also a bit, on the other side.
One final question, Nilima, before I let you go, because I know you're busy. Now that sets are open, you know, you're also a producer, you're an actor, very well-known actor, but also a producer. So you know what it's like to be on both sides. I just wanted to know, with all these restrictions coming in, you know, restricting number of people on set, where you can shoot, how long you can shoot, number of technicians, etc.
Yes.
Does that also affect the creativity? Does that also affect the stories that you want to tell?
It does a bit for sure, because you cannot have a crowd if you want to
Exactly.
have a marriage or a birthday or any of such sequences. So when it comes to the creative side of it, we are not concentrating on. We have, we keep it in our mind that we don't want a crowd in a place. So we are restricting on those kind of creative scenes and all. We go with the family where there are 2 of them or 3 of them or
Yeah.
to the max of 5 of them, to ensure the safety for all the actors also, because they are the one who stand in front of the cameras without any safety measures on them. There is no mask, there is no glove, they have
Yes.
to go stand and act. So keeping all that in mind, we are working with the less number of people in front of the cameras.
Nilima, all I can say is the show must go on, and the show is indeed going on.
Yes.
So we wish you the very, very best. Good to see that you're going to be back on screen very, very soon. You're already filming again. Stay safe. Congratulations once again,
Thank
and see
you.
you very soon. Stay safe.
Thank you so
Nilima.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.